Making a spot for under the tree. Gonna go check on the cat again? Okay. No problem. I told you, I already fed her. Yeah, I created that path for you. I did it. This cat was locked in from the snow. I always leave an opening, but the snow got in. So I had to open it and put food and water in there. But holy shit, I had to go through all this. And as a short person, it comes up to my boobs. I'll take you with me until the phone. I'm trying to video my journey here in the snow, but the phone keeps shutting off. I just made it from there. I had to feed the cat. You chicken lovers will understand that. Oh. Woo. Okay. Oh my god. My legs are getting frozen. Holy shit. Okay. Whew. I think that's it. Whew. Dog's got a spot to go to the bathroom. Whew. That was a workout. That was a workout. Coming. I'm coming. You want to hold this for me and then you can toss it to me? Oh my god, here I go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! I made it. I couldn't get up. Phone's awfully wet right now. I made it. I made a hole. Oh my god. Look at the damage I did. I made it. I couldn't get up. Okay, so now we have to literally try to shovel a pathway so that the dog can go out to go to the bathroom. And we're still in the middle of the blizzard, so yeah, I don't need makeup for that. I really don't. So I think I'm probably gonna have to, because this is heavy duty, I'm gonna find my, you know what I realized after this storm? Maybe I need to get like an adult snowsuit. Like I used to have a snowsuit. I used to have those snow pants when I would go skiing. I imagine my mom still has them. I could probably still fit in them. Yeah, but then again, I'd have to shovel my way to her house. So I'm probably gonna wear this hat. I gotta find some gloves though, because most of the gloves that I have, my hands can stick out of them. I might have to double up layer. Okay. All right, so I've got the white one on. I've got the white, my Stage Puff Marshmallow jacket on. My husband's letting me use his his gloves. And I used to have snow goggles. They're like pink. I swear to God, they're probably buried somewhere in the basement. I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna have to try to wear sunglasses to do this too. So wish us luck. I don't know how much you're gonna get while I'm outside, but I gotta I gotta go out in this store and do this. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, Lord. This is what we're dealing with. But at least this is just the side door. Okay. Made it outside, y'all. We gotta shovel this shit. Mother Nature, yes, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. We love you. And nobody talk shit about Mother Nature ever again.
This is the greatest thing I have ever seen in my life. This is amazing.
I think